Today, the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty is out here on Wade Avenue, just a few blocks from ASU Mountain Home. We're going to be looking at this cute 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, 1,250 square feet of living area, large great room, and super sunroom. Let's take a look.
Hey Heather, what are you doing?
I'm about to show you this really cute house in Mountain Home.
Well, you got something special for us today?
I do. Look how cute this home is. Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And we are taking a tour at 312 West Wade Avenue here in Mountain Home. You have all city utilities and you are close to entertainment, restaurants, shopping, and so I'm excited to show you this home.
And close to the university. I mean, walk to classes from here.
That's right, yes. So come inside. Hey, John.
Hey, Heather.
Have you already looked at the home without me?
No, not me. I would never do that.
Well, you've seen the living room here. You have natural gas fireplace.
Oh, is that natural gas?
It is.
Wow.
I bet it'd make it feel really cozy in here.
Yeah.
And I love these built-in shelves. You could have your decorations, books. That's what I would be putting up there. A lot of the windows have been replaced to the vinyl double pane, and they also tilt in so you can clean them.
Oh, wow, that's handy.
And if you walk around this way, it opens up into your dining room area.
That is big. Wow, there's a lot of room there.
And a large kitchen. I mean, that's very spacious. You have this nice little corner piece. They made some use with putting some cabinets and drawers in there. You have an outlet, so if you want to plug in your iPad and get instructions on how to cook something, or you can put your crock pot there. Lots of counter space. The electric range and oven are staying. And then you have your sink and your refrigerator. And here in a second, we will see the laundry room area and the washer and dryer staying there too. John, let's go take a look at the bedrooms.
All right.
So you have plenty of closet space through here. Lots of doors to use. And here's the guest bedroom. Once again, you have the nice vinyl windows. And I think this is really cute. You have a little section you can put your perfume, your makeup, your TV. Nice little closet here. Plenty of space. And just around the corner is the main bathroom. And it has a tub shower combo. Right through here, you have your bigger of the 2 bedrooms. Nice size, nice windows. And I love these built-in drawers. Another built-in closet here as well. Little makeup area. You can put your TV up there if you watch TV in your room. And John, I want you to look, but it does look like there are hardwood floors underneath this room at least. And let's go on into the sunroom area, which is a really good size room. You can close this off, so if you wanted to have a little bit more privacy, make this a family room or craft room, kids room. You have some built-in cabinets there, and you also have an exterior door to go to your backyard. And John, let's go into the laundry room and the garage. It is just right off of the kitchen.
Well, it's a nice sized garage.
It really is.
I mean, it's a 1-car, but there's a lot of extra room in it.
Right. And here's your washer and dryer.
Yeah.
And even just right through there, I mean, they have their lawnmower parked there. You can make that a little workshop. You had some 4-wheelers, or, you know, I think you could probably fit a riverboat in this garage.
You might, because there's extra room there.
That's right. And then take a look in there.
Wow, a lot of extra storage there.
Yeah, if you like to garden, or if you need to use that as a pantry, that'd be perfect for it.
And then this garage, it's not heated, but it's got some insulation on it. So little extra insulation and a space heater, and this would be a nice place too.
That's right. And you have another exterior door here. Goes out into the front yard.
Well, it's been nicely landscaped and everything there.
It has. And it's springtime, so who knows what else will pop up.
Yeah, right.
Well, John, if you want to tell the viewers how to find out more information about this property.
Well, you can find it on enjoytheozarks.com or look for the Ozarks team on Google or Facebook or Instagram, any of the social media, you can find us.
That's right. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.
To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks team. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.